Let's check out the Air Jordan 1 VAA Alaska. So the original story behind this pair was deconstruction using an X-Acto knife and then adding industrial elements to this pair. The swoosh is white leather and it's held on by blue stitching on each side. Below it, you also get that orange tag that is also stitched on with orange stitching. Behind the swoosh is also exposed foam. Around the toe box, you'll get white leather, and the leather also goes up through the eyelets and the wings. The toe box is exposed foam, which they didn't do the cover like they did on the UNCs, so it should be interesting to see how these age. They could turn yellow pretty quickly. At the bottom of the eyelets, you'll get an extra flap. I always love the leather wings they add on this pair. So on the inside, it'll be suede, and they will say 85, referencing the year that the Air Jordan 1 was made. The wings logo is embossed on the wings, and then you also get those embossed dots where the stitching would have been. Around the ankle collar is completely exposed foam. You get the jagged cuts on the upper eyelets. The inside is completely leather, and then the outside you'll get that nice gray suede that goes around the heel. At the bottom of the heel, you'll get a really rough texture. On the inside, you'll get that removed Nike swoosh, and it will say VAA for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, C 1985. The entire tongue is white and nylon, and then on the side you will get that orange Nike Air tag. The tongue will also be exposed foam, and then you'll get the insoles that are completely white with the black Nike Air. The insoles also include all of those triangular dots, which is for grip. The outsole is going to be white, and the midsole is going to be sail, and then you'll get that classic Air text in black. The right shoe will have a Made in China tag. The left pair will have the classic zip tie, so it's sky blue and it says VAA for Nike 2026 zip tie. As far as the lace options, they come with white, black, that sky blue to match the zip tie, and purple. I always loved the purple laces on this pair. I know a lot of people have been using orange, which it didn't come with orange, but if you've had one of the off-white ones in the past, you could always use it from one of those. This is one of the craziest boxes you'll ever see. So it's going to be your typical Air Jordan 1 box, but throughout the box there's a bunch of holes and the cardboard is super thick. Instead of your typical lid, there's actually a flap that opens that was inspired by architecture. The book is removed by the blue ribbon. Modernism is not new. The book has a bunch of designs and drawings that Virgil has done over the past years. The shoes are held in a plastic case, and then you'll also get that plastic wrapping paper that's going to have a red Jumpman, and then it's also going to have a lot of that VA26 branding. Overall, what do you think about the pair? I think the Virgil Air Jordan 1 is the best collab of all time.